How to scan document on iPhone and save as PDF. Let's jump right into the steps. So you don't need any third-party apps to scan document on iPhone and save it as PDF. So what you can do is you can go to Files, that is a built-in application on iPhone. Now tap on the three dots on the top right corner and then there'll be the option of Scan Document. Now scan any document as you like and then you want to tap on the shutter button. Edit the screen as you like and then you want to tap on Keep Scan, that is on the bottom right corner, or if you want to retake you can retake. After that you can keep going on clicking more pictures of the document. Tap on Keep Scanning on the bottom right corner. After that you can tap on Save, that is on the bottom right corner again. It will automatically be saved as PDF on your files, so when you go ahead and tap on Scan Document, you will see the document that you have just scanned. So I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.